around the
machines?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I can follow your step. Okay, so follow me. I will. Okay. Actually, this is our BFS machine. It's a very important things that by including automatic washing machine.
This is fill machine. This is contact machine. Also, loading machine. This is one of them. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, it's the low fill seal that applies adopts the specification aspects of package technology. It can work continuously and below the P or PP granules to inners. Then finish filling and sealing the package and fills the inners with the tray and the benefits. this company is stable on manufacturing the science a new machine which will finish the low science one work and the manufacturing to make sure the technical details this can be widely used in thermal okay. Also, small volume discussion on the materials
For that, it has different size from 5 millimeters to 50 millimeters.
yeah, exactly.
All the machines on Shanghai Iven have been customized. So don't worry about the machine that we don't have what you want. All the machines can be customized according to your requirement.
Okay, this is always the new products from Iven company. We can check out here's the packaging areas, and this is one PLC areas. And as we all know, the PLC can control lots of the paragraph, just like the speeds, the minutes, the capacities. If you want to know something, and you just touch the screen, it's okay. It's very convenient. Hopefully, let's proceed to the automatic.
This is line inspection. It has videos for different models, line and wire and zero. So we also have big bottles for line inspection machine. So all the machines on Shanghai Iven have been customized. Don't worry about that. Okay, we have different seven machines.
Yeah,
How
exactly.
they activated. So this is one of the next we have
Yeah.
okay.
Actually, there is another is the new products. It's always meet interest for customers. All this is the information. This is the fermentation tank, and we can check out a lot of the important information, just like the product name, the product members, the safety weights of the container. Another one is the standards. Okay, and for that it's our company petitions. If you want to that's the company, and you can make a call and connection. Or another one is your comments in the subscribe. Thank you. And this is our web lectures. So let's see another one.
Okay, this is my reactor of fermentation tank. Okay, so if you are interested in this machine, welcome to send us inquiry on YouTube, Facebook, and our website or Alibaba waiting China. So welcome you to send us inquiry. Okay.
Okay. As we all know, this is our productions. It's the next course of bill holder expanding production line, and I will show you the details information. The bill holder expansion products line including the automasis, washing machine, RSN, sterility, drying machine, holder, display machine, and storing machine, vending machine. This line can work together all effectively. This can functions, washing, Action line really successfully distinguish continue operation from the washing, sterility, on the one stopping and typing. The whole production process realize cleaning operation. That's from counting finish meets the GMP production standards. And the whole line was also packages of the PLC components. And this is the totally okay. Actually,
It is by language.
yeah. For that, the parts you can change the language. The English and the Chinese both are okay. And the whole line adopts PLC totally control, friendly, computer touch screen control technology, stable and reliable operation.
Okay, this is the part of the equipment. Okay, the filling part. So we have different parts of this machine. Filling machine, washing station, filling station, sealing station, and a typing station. Basically, one open part on this whole production line.
Okay, let's honest the insights.
The detail of the machine. Okay, if you are interested in our machines, don't worry about the requirement. All the machines can be customized. So powder and the liquid finish.
Okay, let's introduce more information about the machines. The real liquid line loading ultrasonic washing machine and sterilizing drying machine, filling and stopping. Typing machine, the line can work together as well as independently. It's completely the whole function of the ultrasonic motion, drying, sterility, filling, stopping, and camping. So another part is the details about the machine, how it's working. So I will introduce more information about the machine. The convection line realizes operation. Another one. It's a washing machine, and we can check out all of the information like the models, the Iven WD and 1500, and the supplier is the AC 380 and dimensions and the materials and the air pressures. And we already keep the telephone emails. And the materials, models, employees, max hours, suppliers, and the environment.
Yeah.
Also, this is our company location, the detail emails.
Okay, you can find the whole production line, or you can find only one part of the